Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Sa video support, topic, physics for engineers, the energy, particularly elastic potential energy. So we have problem 19, a spring of negligible mass has a force constant K. So binigay na yung force constant, spring constant, force constant. How far must the spring be compressed for 3.20 joules of potential energy to be stored in it? So, gaano daw kalayo siya dapat i-compress. So, para magkaroon ng 3.20 joules. So, 3.20 joule. So, ganito lang yan siya. UL, elastic potential energy is 1/2 kx squared. Okay? So, UL, that is 3.20 joules of potential energy na ma-store. 1/2, and then, yung K mo is 6,000 yata yung binigay. 1,600. 1,600 Newton per meter. So, ano daw yung X? Or yung kalayo, yung compression. So that would be 2 times 3.20 bulago natin joule, which is a Newton meter over 1,600. So naka-squared pa to. Diba? So dito is Newton per meter. So cancel ako dito. May matitirang meter times meter. So that is square meter. So 2 times 3.20 all over 1,600, and that will give us 4 exponent 3 or 0.004 square meter. So meaning yung X natin or compression natin is square root of that, which is 0.0632 meters, or 12, and that would be a bigger number, 6.32 centimeter for letter A. How about for letter B? You place as the spring vertically with one end on the floor. You then drop a 1.20 kilogram book onto it from a height of 0.80 meters above the top of the spring. Find the maximum distance. Maximum distance, parang ganito siya. So, meron kang spring na nilatag mo. Tapos, mula dito, ang laki naman ng, mula dito hanggang dito, may distansya tong 0.8 meter. Tapos may ihuhulog ka na book dito. Aba, ihuhulog to siya. So basically, yung spring mo magko-compress yan, sige, sabihin natin hanggang dito na X. Kaya lang, yung X mo actually, may potential energy pa rin yan. Kasi mahuhulog yan hanggang dito. So, ibig sabihin, potential energy dito is equal sa elastic potential energy dito sa spring. Kaya lang, yung distance sila magmamatter. Meaning, muna, potential energy, grav, is just equal to your elastic potential energy on the spring. Equal lang sila. And then, yung grav mo is MGY. Kaya lang, yung MGY mo is yung 0.8 plus X. Kasi may potential pa rin dito, di ba? So, hanggang dito, mahuhulog pa rin yan. May potential pa rin yan hanggang hindi siya tumigil. So, may potential pa rin yan hanggang dito. So, meaning, yung potential nito, 0.8 plus yung X. Tapos, dito naman, ay 1/2 kx squared. Okay? So, let's substitute. M is, binigay yata yung mass ng book, that is 1.20 kilogram, and then 9.80665 meters per second squared, and then plus 0.8 plus X is equal to 0.5 1/2, and then yun 1,600 Newton per meter at saka X squared. So parang kwan siya, no? I think you would have a quadratic equation. Okay? So anyway, you can by calc this one. Tingnan natin. I think I have a quadratic equation. Equation 5, number 3. Yung A mo is 0.5 times 1,600 unit wise. Okay lang kasi yung 0.8 naka-meters naman, at saka ito kilograms meters per second squared is Newton. So meaning ito meter, may meter ako dito, so tama na yung unit ko. So 0.5 times 1.6 para sa A, and then sa B, that is yung may X, meaning ito multiplied ng X. So 1.20 times 9.80665. Okay, tapos yung C, kailangan bang mag-negative? Yes, pupunta sa kabila, mag-negative yan. Negative 1.20 times 9.80665. Tapos, yung last is negative din. Negative 0.8 times 1.2 times 9.80665. So, yung lalabas dyan is 0.116. 0.116 meters, at saka negative yung isa. Negative na yung isa. So meaning, ito yung answer. 1, 2, that should be an 11.6 centimeter. Okay? That is for your letter B. Maximum. Kasi meron ng bigat yung book niyan eh. I think that's the maximum word. Anyway, thank you guys for listening. God bless po.